Okay, question 2. 2x plus 1 and x minus 2 are factors of 3x cubed plus bx squared plus q. What is the value of 2p plus q? Okay, so when we see that something is a factor of a certain polynomial, what's the first thing that comes to our mind? The factor theorem, right? Yeah, so that's what we have to execute. And of course we have two variables today, yeah, p and q. So again, we would expect simultaneous equations, yeah, because we have two pieces of information, right? We know two factors of the thing. Yeah. Okay, so for example, 2x plus 1, so what do? We do 2x plus 1 equals 0, yeah? That's how we execute the factor theorem. So then that means that x is negative 1/2. Negative 1/2, good. So then we jam it in, yeah? Then we jam it in. So 2 negative 1/2 cubed plus p negative 1/2 squared plus q equals to 0, and that's what the factor theorem tells us. Same logic. The other guy, x minus 2 is 0, which means that x equals to 2, yeah? So when we sub in 2, it should give us 0 again. So 2 times 2 cubed, plus p times 2 squared plus q equals to 0. Good. Okay, so how can we solve this? It's a bit of a painful simultaneous equation to solve. But what we could do is maybe we could use the equation below to subtract the equation on top. Yeah, then the q cancels, right? Then the q cancels. Okay, so let's do that. So bottom equation minus top equation. So what do we have? This is 16 minus, minus a quarter, right? So this is 16 plus a quarter, so 16 and a quarter. Okay, second term is 4p minus a quarter p, so 15 over 4p equals 0, yeah? Equals 0. Very good. Okay, so 16 and a quarter is basically 65 over 4, right? So 15 over 4p equals negative 65 over 4. So we solve, yeah, p equals, how many is this? Negative, 65 over 15. I could divide by 5 probably, yeah? So negative 13 over 3. Good. So that's p. How do I figure out q? Well, again, you just pick your favorite equation, yeah? So maybe I'm going to pick, doesn't matter, maybe the second equation. Yeah? So let me scroll down a bit. So I have 16 plus 4p. Well, I know what a p is, don't I? So the p is negative 13 over 3 plus q equals 0. Yeah. So q equals, so 4 times 13 is 52, yeah? So 52 over 3 plus, minus, isn't it? Minus 16. So 16 is 48 over 3. So 52 over 3 minus 48 over 3, that is 4/3. Very good. So 2p plus q, yeah? 2p plus q. So 2 times negative 13 plus 4, that's negative 26 plus 4, which is negative 22. So final answer, negative 22 over 3. So that's C. Yeah, just lots of algebra in this question, to be honest.